The next important feature of the interface is the dynamic toolbar, which you can see here. The dynamic toolbar provides access to the most relevant and frequently used commands in SolidWorks. It's really helpful since when you sketch, you will get all the tools that you commonly use with sketching. When you create a 3D view, you will get all the tools that you use while creating that 3D view. So that's why it's called dynamic toolbar. It will make your work a way much easier job, and it will help you get things done fastly and efficiently. The last part of the interface, which should be note, is the task pane on the right side of the screen. So on the right side of the screen, you will see a task pane. Using this task pane, you can view content-specific tasks such as importing standard geometry, file explorer, view palette, as well as any plugin-specific information. So it's really handy when you have plugins, and it will make your job easier to access file explorer or getting your standard geometry information. The last thing that needs to be shown is how to open the SolidWorks tutorials. They can be accessed by going to Help SolidWorks Tutorials. The tutorials are very helpful and cover from the most basic features to the more advanced analysis and assemblies. So if you are looking to help in how to do specific thing that we won't explain here in that you didn't find when you finish this course, you can easily search the help that SolidWorks provide, and you will most likely get your answer, or you can send me a message or ask in the discussion tab here in this course, and I will be more than happy to help. So let's see our SolidWorks environment. As you can see here, we talked about this dynamic tab. This dynamic tab shows features relative to the task that you are doing right now. So here is extrude, revolve, other 3D functions. When you sketch, you can get any of these items. As you can see here, we will learn how to use these in the next or in the coming lessons. You can also evaluate, measure. You can dim, export, view SolidWorks add-ons, or SolidWorks MBD. The most commonly used is the first three features, sketch and evaluate. As you can see here, this will come very handy. As you can see, you can search SolidWorks help here. You can ask about anything that comes in your mind. This is the name of our part. As you can see, first part. This is the file extension SLD-BRT. Okay. This is the right window. This is SolidWorks resources. As you can see, new document, open document, SolidWorks tools. You can also communicate with the SolidWorks community, or get online resources, or subscribe to SolidWorks services, or get a tip each day. Here is the design library. As you can see here, you can get the toolbox, you can get 3D continent. Lots of bars are here or can be found here. This is our file explorer window. You can view your desktop. You can go to open SolidWorks and view your recently worked files. This is the palette window, but since we didn't yet created anything, you won't see anything here. This is the appearance. This is the custom properties, and here you can go to SolidWorks form, but you need to be connected to the internet. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Sure, you can expand that window by clicking here, and you can pin it As you can see, it will never go off, but you can also unpin it and it will go off once you move the mouse. As we said, you can go and ask SolidWorks for help using this icon or going to help menu, SolidWorks help or SolidWorks tutorials. If you have any question, please do ask in the discussion. See you next lesson with our first exercise.